So if you jammed up your ratchet, it can be pretty frustrating to undo it. The most common problem is you ratcheted up too much of the webbing. And it may look something like this. There is a way to unjam it though. So what you want to do first is hold the release gate and open up the ratchet completely, so it's completely flat. Completely flat like that. Normally when it's not jammed, now you would just pull and it would come through, but obviously it's jammed. So what you need to do, you need a needle nose pliers, and what you're going to do is just loosen up the first 1 or 2 layers of the webbing. So you want to kind of get under that first layer and kind of just muscle it out. You want to kind of do it as gentle as you can so you don't damage the webbing or rip it. So it's kind of looped up a little bit. You want to do it with like usually about two layers will do it. So you want to grab another layer and just kind of muscle it through. It should give a little bit. And once you've got a couple layers loose, and again the whole gate's got to be completely open, so this should all be flat. Then again, you want to just pull and it should come loose. If it doesn't, you have to loosen a couple more layers. Yeah, it doesn't want to give, so I'm going to have to loosen it a little bit more. You have to play with it a little bit. There we go. And once you've got a good amount of slack, you try again. And at some point it's going to give. There we go. And that's how you unjam this ratchet.